Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello there. So I'm here today to do a flip through of this altered envelope, and I've turned it into a folio with a little journal. There's a big bag of glassine and all the leftovers are in here. There's lots of stuff in there, so that's going to go with it. So this is the folio. Let's I should remember, I think it's 10, yeah, 10 by 6 and 2/8, let's say. The cover is that where you scrunch up the paper, and I don't know, it's like, it feels like a leather. I've never done it. The lovely Karen from Junkbox Journal sent me that. So I've put a book plate on called Wonder and put some beads and a bow on there. And then that's the back. Love it. Feels really nice. So that's going. Should have done that too thickness really. So we've got this CD at the front. I've done some stamping and some stenciling, and I've got this card which is Bluebell Woods, and then that's the back of it, and I've lined the inside of the CD envelope. So that's that. Turn it over, we've just got some kit paper, and on this side we've got a little pocket with the tag. The kits that I've used are mainly the Winter Botanicals by Lily Collage Type. The link will be in the description. So there's a big tag here which I made from a book page, and we've got this charm on a chain of a reindeer, and we've just got a label there. Okay, so that goes in. It does go in there like so. Then we've got this decoupage pocket here and I've made an envelope with some book page, and there's a postcard at the back, and there's just a journal card inside. So that lives there. Then we've got this lovely owl which I'd originally made as a journal card, but I thought it would make a nice topper. So that is there. So let's go inside. So this is what you see when you open it up. I love it. Absolutely love it. Really, this was about using the stuff from your creative studio and using things that I'd got left over from the kit. So we'll start on this side. We've got this tiny little envelope there with the Tim Holtz die cut there, and I've stamped and stenciled it. I think, yeah, it's been tea stained. And then these are two little images from Edith Olden CD-ROM. So they live in there. Yeah. And then this little envelope is a pocket, and that's just one of the tags what's left. And then this opens, and I've opened the top of the envelope and made this journal card. I'll just put a sticker on there. I've like ripped it out so it's quite you know, rustic looking. So that lives in. I'll do it this way. Lives in there. Yeah. Then at the back of the envelope, just got some washi, a little sewn ruffle, some burlap and a stamp. They're from your creative studio, and so is the stickers. Then we've got this bit what flips up, and we've got another one of the decoupaged pockets, and this is one of the tags that I got from the Your Creative Studio. That goes there, and I've just decorated it with one of my stickers what was left over. So we'll flip that up, and we've got a little belly band here, and I've just put a little pad. These are sticky notes, and I thought you could probably make your own little tags with those, and you could put another notebook in there. And then here we've got like a picture frame. and this was like the thank you card in the box, and I've just backed it so you can write on it, so it's like a hidden journal spot, yeah, which has just come up, which I will have to glue. That's why I don't put 4 on them anymore. It gets a bit awkward. It is better with 2. So I put, oh no, I need to keep that up. Then we've got a vellum pocket here, and I've put a ruffle, and this is material. It's William Morris material. It's called, I think it's Winter Berries or Winter Botanical. I've sewn around it and put a couple of the stickers on, and then this is one of the lovely postcards from the Lost Words, so that's beautiful, and that fits in there. And then at the back, that's a kit page. Oh, honestly, why does nothing ever fit when you're putting things back? And so you don't notice these things when you're doing it off camera. Well, so I can't remember it being awkward at all. I don't know if it's just the angle that you're having to do it on. That's it. Right, that really isn't awkward. Right, so that's that, and then you close that, and then we'll go over here. We've got this lovely vellum, what I've made into a pocket. This vellum was from the Your Creative Studio, and I've put another sticker on top. There's a layaway tag here, which I did in the Roxy challenge, and I've put, do you call it embossed? I just put that stuff and melted it on that tag thing and put a chain on it. I don't know, it was a disaster when I did it anyway. I do need to try that out again. Then we've got the lovely owl. Then we've got this lovely belly band. This is a real fern, and it's on some tissue and some sari material, and then some netting, and then some like dyed well, I don't know, like linen at the back of it, and I've just glued it top and bottom and put this card. This is from Victoria Designs. It was just in my stash, and then I've put the washi down there. Let's flip, oh yeah, and then at the side we've got this lovely bird tag on some berries. Don't know what happened to the sewing, but yeah, it was a bit hit and miss. I think I need to mess about with my tension, but I have to change the bobbin, and I don't know about you, but when I've changed the bobbin, it seems to take a bit to, I don't know, start acting properly. So we've got a double pocket here. I've got a specimen, two little envelopes, one with a fox and one with the owl, and then a tag from the kit. So that's the pocket. Okay, and then we've got another vellum pocket here, and we've got a little flip up notepad. There's quite a few pages in here. I don't know how many, but there's quite a few. And then collaged it in the inside. So that's that. I've left the strings on the outside. And then we've got this fabric tag, which I did stamping on, which I absolutely love. And then that's the kit pages. So they live in there. And then at the side of here, oh, I've got this enormous owl tag, which is absolutely fabulous. Again, my stitching went a bit skew with, but I don't know, it gives it character. And we've got this beautiful owl, and then the light sketches around. So that lives in there. And then this opens up. Got one of those waterfalls. So you've got writing space here. And I've turned it into a belly band and put another one of the postcards in from the Lost Words. How fabulous is that? These are made lovely, like, at the you know, on a cover. So that's that one, and that lives there. And then we've got this collaged envelope, sorry, with a faux postcard, and I've just put a tab on it. Like so, and then it's just got kit paper at the back. Then we've got a pocket which was an envelope, and I just cut the front bit out of it, and then, you know, made a gusset for this big tag. Just got some brads and some Hessian and a label. This was made from Tim Holtz packaging, and then I'll just put this picture on, and then I think it's backed on some craft card. So it's quite a, it's not chunky, but it's, you know. And then that's from Edith Holden book, and I've cut that out and stuck that on there. Again, it's not going to fit, is it? That's it. So that's what's in the folio. And then at the side there's this expanding pocket. So I've put the other one of the journal cards of the owl, and this is decoupaged on dictionary paper, and it's been backed so you can write on that. And there's another journal card here with a fabric tab, and I've got squirrel at the back. And then there's this one of the goldfinch, which is my favourite bird, and I've just stuck some die cuts on fern trees and pines. And then there's a stamp at the back. So that's that. And then we've just got a little journal. It's just, I think there's 11 pages in, so what's that, 44 sides. So I've collaged the front and the back. I've just stuck a bit of paper on this greaseproof paper, and then we've got some tea stain paper. Some of it's 200 GSM, so nice to stick pockets on and things. Got some music paper, that's just 100 GSM. Some dictionary paper, another 200 GSM. Got some, I'm not sure what language that is, but it's on some quite old stained paper. Then that's just normal coffee paper, but I've done it in tea. A doily there, another 100 GSM one, and then this is a book page. And in the middle I've covered the writing and put a writing spot in. I've left the strings. And then obviously we've got the same on the other side, and then at the back we've got another bit stuck on this greaseproof paper. So that lives in there. I think it's a little bit chunky with this in, but it's, you know, it's not over chunky. But if you did want to decorate it, I don't think it could live in there, even though, you know, that expands loads. It's just yeah, it's too chunky, I think. But I'm not into chunky things. So that is that. So I've absolutely loved making this. I kind of didn't really think how it was gonna look and stuff, and yeah, I really love it. And I like, there's a lot of browns, but there's a lot of greens in it too. So that is that. I will put it in the shop tomorrow. If you are interested before, then do get in touch, and it will save me having to take a million photos and put it on Etsy. So thank you very much for joining me. All the videos are in 2 different playlists. One is envelope folios, and the other is winter projects. But if you get to the end of this video, they will both come up the playlist if you wanted to see how I made any of it. Right, I shall see you tomorrow. Bye for now.